It puzzles me why the word, we go on my boat and the word filth comes up so often from you, and we come on your boat and I never mention the word filth.
That's beautiful. Yeah, that is.
See, 2 months worth of filth. Yes.
Well, Lord, let this be one of those.
Not a chance. Not a chance. Well, I never. 3 months. 2-3 months, no use. That old thing never fails you, does it?
Josh's GCSE present.
Yeah. It's got to be 20 years old then.
Yeah.
A little bit too soon here.
Yeah.
So we're on Cool Runnings today, and
Fine boat.
it's been a bit of a disaster, frankly.
It's been very good so far.
Outboard engine. Well, let's start with the dinghy. The dinghy was full of water.
Yeah.
Fine. Filth.
Natural filth.
Filth.
Not,
No, filth. I don't use the
not-
word filth very often because the
No.
whole concept of filth offends
no,
me. The whole concept.
the difference between the filth on that tender is it's naturally introduced, not left by a dirty, lazy, ill-disciplined skipper. That's the difference.
Anyway, the concept, the whole concept of filth offends me. And it was filthy. I got juice all over my clothes.
Yeah.
Barnacle juice. Stay
The best boobs.
Didn't take it long to get onto his boots, did it? Anyway, we're the engine wouldn't start outboard, so I rescued the situation and brought my engine from my boat.
Which
So
wouldn't start.
We
You
got there
nearly
in the
fell
end.
in,
We got there
didn't
in the
you?
end.
You nearly fell in trying to start your brand new engine, which won't start.
Started all right. Eventually.
Eventually,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we're going to Gurnard. Dave's found this place. He's found this extraordinary Anchorage
Which
and
requires a
eatery that we bypass. It's somewhere between Cowes and Newtown, and off the village of Gurnard. So we're going to go and find it and enjoy it, because it sounds, from what Dave's explained, it sounds like the most marvellous place. And we ever have missed it, I've no idea.
We're also going there next trip.
Yeah, we're going to go next trip. Yeah, so
Right, I best check my
yeah.
chart.
We'll let you know in a minute when we arrive and see what it's
Get
like.
the padlock off the anchor.
Well, it's November, and I'll tell you, it is cold. This is a proper winter sail, eh?
Can you hear the fan hasn't gone off? You
Yeah.
can see it's still on.
Does it stay on for a while automatically?
No, it does, but it'll go off now. I can see it hadn't gone off because the display was still on.
Okay.
So today is Friday the 8th of November, and if we'd wanted to, we could have been away for 3 days. That means we could have gone anywhere here. What we actually did was go here. You see, this is the bay that our good skipper, with thoughtful preparation, had planned for us. Upon arrival, it became apparent that no anchoring was allowed anywhere in this vicinity. It seems that every power cable, every comms cable, every pipe enters the Isle of Wight just here. Well, we checked the charts, just like the skipper should have done some time earlier, and sure enough, no anchoring anywhere around here. Well, we were too cold to go far, so skipper took me to see the run-down grey warehouses of East Cowes. Lovely jubbly. Now this is no good at all. Absolutely nothing interesting happened from here onwards. So we're going to abandon this video. The following week we went to Ashlet Creek. Now that was in Juna. It was an entirely different day. We shall upload that in a few minutes' time.